As we've told you, a mandatory evacuation is in place for Hatteras Island residents and visitors with worries about flooding and overwash impacts on NC-12, the island's only road in and out. So let's bring in our Outer Banks reporter, Will Thomas. He's joining us live in Buckton this afternoon. So, Will, what are you seeing there so far?
Well, as we approach high tide, you can already see what's happening here in Buckton. The overwash is already extending to NC-12, and this is one of the vulnerable areas ahead of Hurricane Erin. We spoke with a longtime local here about her experiences with past storms and the worries about this one.
We're getting water over now, and it's not even high tide. So I expect it to come through here at high tide today. And we have to take it because, I mean, there's nothing else we can do.
Right here at the Outer Banks Motel is where 96-year-old Carol White Dillon has been since 1955, experiencing several major storms in the decade she's been here.
One time I had it break the window in the back bathroom of this building, and the ocean waves just came in, filled this place.
But something she says she's never done when a storm comes is leave.
I've never left, and I won't leave. I'm not ever leaving because I can't leave my animals.
Though she's staying put, there are worries about what Hurricane Erin might bring, especially along an already rapidly eroding shoreline here in Buckton.
We used to have a beach where we didn't worry about losing our units, but now we do because water's underneath them right now.
As the hurricane approaches, Carol feels they've done everything they can to prepare for it.
I don't know how bad it's going to come through here, but there's nothing we can do about it. We've done everything we can.
And NC-12 remains one of the main worries from county and emergency officials. Earlier today saying if you haven't evacuated from Hatteras Island, to do so now. Many people here are just hoping that the area can withstand what Hurricane Erin brings, but also there are worries about the coastal flooding and the overwash rendering the area impassable for days. Live in Buckton, Will Thomas, WTKR News 3.